feeling?
How do I look?
Good.
Hello, this is Mike Haddad again. Today we got, I think we call it a magic carpet. And Mr. Aladdin here was designed by my good friend Leon. And Patrick helped out with, what did you help out with? Oh, you're going to help me toss it?
Yeah, that's what I helped out.
Yeah, he's going to help me out with this.
All right.
It's supposed to be a hovering plane, so we're going to give it a try. These are my controls. And of course, we got a rudder here, so we'll just hope for the best. You ready, Leon?
Let's go.
Go ahead. We're going to go up high in a minute. See how it flies.
That's cool.
And it flies like a carpet. That's a good feel.
A whole new world.
Everything, and he's looking at the sky, he's trying to fly like a carpet. And if you go fast, if you want to, and it flies upside down, it's just too windy. I'm going to get a big shot out of it up in the air.
Nice fish.
Nice fishing. I don't know about the knife fish, but we're going to do that like right before it crashes.
Where's the genie?
The genie's right here.
Oh, the genie's flying in.
Trying it. I thought it was allowed to jump down. Now we're going to try to hover right now. I am going to loop right now. I'm going to go up high just in case. There you go. That's a cool picture.
Converted, huh?
Oh, we got a little light in. I'm going to night fidget right now. He doesn't like night fidget either.
I don't think that's possible.
I didn't think so. So what do you think, guys? Let's try to land it.
Guys, back up, man. The prop instrument's gonna do major damage.
And it flew great. Thank you guys very much.
All right.